Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you guys on how I preserve my aubergine or brinjal or eggplant, whatever you call it, and transform into an elegant and delicious menu. Well, that's my eggplant. It's actually not fresh anymore. I'm sorry for that. But what you have to do is slice it into thin pieces like that, and place it direct to sunlight. But you can use the hydrator or maybe oven, perhaps. I'm sorry, I only know the hydrator or the direct sunlight process. And wash it properly before cooking. In drying warm temperatures, cause the moisture to evaporate. And low humidity allows moisture to move quickly from the food to the air. That I'm using olive oil for cooking, much healthier. And I fried garlic and onion first. I throw some tomatoes in it. I'm sorry, I forgot to turn on my camera. But that is the slices of tomatoes. I add slices of chicken. I slice it into tiny pieces. Some tomato sauce. And you can add now your eggplant. This is the eggplant that I tried it outside. You can add some of what you call it? Black pepper. And cook it like you're cooking chicken adobo, just like that. Yeah. And simmer it for a while. Just cover it. I keep checking. I'm sorry. Oh well, I add a little bit of soy sauce because I'm not satisfied of the color. It's up to you, or you can add salt or cubes, whatever you prefer. And I add half of the lemon on it. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm drinking coffee. Just mix it. If it is too dry like that, you can add a little bit of water. And you can add chili sauce after that, and the outcome, I tell you guys, super yummy. And simmer it. Yes. Oh, I add a little bit of water in it because it's too dry. After that, simmer it for a while. More water. I'm sorry. This is my experiment though. And voila! It turns into a delicious menu.